Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video I was supposed to demonstrate the subdomain thing, but we have to understand the basic infrastructure we have built under the application, so you will better understand the subdomain part in the next video in the short time. Okay, so let us see it like a walkthrough. Okay, so this is the you can see Gandiv dashboard, and this is very unpolished version of the software. We haven't worked much on the UI as of now. These all things are not connected and all, and this is not a problem. And the next is the all campaigns. So all the campaigns you will run, no matter what kind of campaign it is under the any tool, all of them will go here under the single command center. They will all have their type of the campaign and the status, progress, and all the things. Okay, and here we have a client thing. So what that is, you do not you remember that we have a client onboarding Google Sheet timer. So consider it like that. So you will insert all the things here. We have some basic stuff in the client as of now. Like you can insert the client information. This is particular client information, like personal thing of clients, not the project thing. Okay, so here you have their tags or whatever nodes. Now under that particular client you will have the projects. Okay, so under that project you can view that project, and here you will have all the onboarding information like their citations, their Google map, their business type, description, name, address, phone number, their primary keywords, secondary keywords, branded keywords, citations, competitor URLs. Their related campaigns will come here. Okay, backlinks, whatever backlinks you are creating, or and so on. So you can edit the project, add more things. If you request any other things to put in here, yeah, we will add it too. So the idea is, and we are already executing this idea in various type of the campaigns as we go, that when you create a campaign, you not have to jungle into your Google Sheets. So copy paste, no, I have done this more than enough times. So you insert all of that information here, and when you create campaign, you just click one single button, fill the gaps. Done. All the information will be filled, and then you set the percentage and everything will be 30. So the next is yeah, this is just one thing we have seen. Now let us go to what we say all campaigns. What I should show next is content buckets. Let us see it. Okay, so this is the simple thing you might have seen in other softwares as well. So let us see that I have here plumbing services. So this is the content, and here we have some plumbing services articles. So we just click here and see that affordable local plumbing services near me same day, and these images are also built in our software, and this all shit is done on autopilot. On merely couple of clicks will create you couple of hundreds of articles. Okay, and how we are being able to generate it, we will see content bucket. And now these content bucket tags are being managed here, so this is not a thing to explain now. Let us go to step templates. Okay, so what they are, these are simple, in very simple words, these are your prompt manager. Simple, that's it, nothing more than that. So all the prompts you want to manage, not in the Google Sheets, not in the Notepad plus, you can manage them here. So you will just create a category. Here we have the categories. I need to clean some them up. So content generation, and I just create a template, put them into the category content generation. Okay, then I can put a prompt in here. okay, and we will be able to use the variables, and we will see them later on how to use them. So that's a step template, I mean prompt manager. Now go to pipeline studio. That's the main thing that make your content get generated. So all the content you have seen here is coming from these pipelines. Okay, so think like that. This is 250 articles in one go. This is one of the my favorite kind of pipeline, you can say. So I just click and open it. So what it has, it is a simple two-step process to generate the content. So the first is when we go and click here, you will see that where we have a prompt editor. So whenever we run a campaign for content, so let us go to the campaign and see the pipeline and the campaign all together. So let us duplicate it, go to all campaigns. Now we are going to new campaign and create AI content generation. So we haven't reached to the subdomain yet. Okay, so I just give it a name, a description, and client obviously, and project. This is what I was talking about when I explained the client and the projects. We do not need much information to fill into AI content creation campaign. Otherwise we would be using that attributions as well. So I just fill the primary keyword and the secondary keyword here. So how to find a plumber and plumber near me. Alright, and now let me select a provider. Olama. I have some models running in the local, so I just create target audience, and this target audience prompt is being managed here already. Sorry, here. So this is target audience generator, and if you want to edit that prompt, you can do edit it, and it will be used here. Okay, so we got a target audience, and next you can fill up model that you want to use, and you can of course use here open router, and the image, alt text, and file name, these are also coming from a AI query. So these will be also super relevant. So you can also generate the schema. We are going to skip that. We just want to reach where it asks for what the pipeline. So we are going to skip that all. The image generation, this is all integrated, and you can use the Gandiv images or OpenWriter API if you want to. Gandiv images, these are not available as of now, but we will integrate that soon as well. And YouTube video integration, this is coming from the YouTube API, and the iframe, whatever you input here will be added or the embedded into the final output. So here we got the content bucket where you want to save your articles. This you already have seen, and now the pipeline come through. Now we will insert the 250 articles in one go, and here you will see that one more options pop up, and it will ask that that there are two steps in your pipeline. Which step is going to generate the content? And now we know that this step will generate the content, so we will tick check it and make sure that it gets saved into the article section of bucket. So buckets article will get the output coming from this prompt, and now we will go and look into the pipeline. Okay, so now come to the pipeline. Here we have the pipeline. Now this pipeline have two steps. Why we have the two steps? In the very first step, what we do is we will expand our primary and the secondary keywords we initially inserted into the campaign. So when we created the campaign, we took the primary keyword and the secondary keyword and we generated a target audience. There also we selected the content type as the article, language as a English, and with the help of that all thing, we are going to generate the expanded keywords that will be long tail keywords, question keywords, problem solving keywords. You can edit this prompt and make your own copy. So it doesn't mean that if two persons are using the same primary keywords, same secondary keywords, going to get the same articles. No, it is not. It will be completely different because you are going to use your own JSON prompts. You are going to use your own what we say AI providers, AI models. You can use the cheapest model possible. You can use your local Olama, so you do not have to pay for it. You can use Claude. Okay, go spend as much money as you want. So it is all yours. I just built a machine that you can put into work however you want. Okay, so this is the content part. So this is the first thing, that we expanded these keywords. So now in this expanded keyword list, we will get 100, 200, 250 keywords. So these 250 keywords do not know that they need to generate 250 articles. So how we solve that problem? So when we created this prompt and write a detailed SEO optimized article of 1000 words in English language about expanded keyword. So what was happening that, yeah, it is of course expanded keywords means 250 words, 250 keywords. They were all coming and put into here, and we were generating 1 mega prompt with 250 keywords in it, and it was generating a single article. So that's not what we wanted. We want 250 articles created, one keyword each. So how I solved it is I created a loop setting. So what is happening here? We are enabling a loop here, and we are putting the loop on the expanded keywords parameter. So this expanded keyword parameter will be converted to expanded keyword loop, and when we use expanded keyword loop here, then our system will know that what need to get done is use this expanded keyword query one by one here. So this prompt will run once, and this prompt will get run 250 times. Okay, and each time it will use one expanded keyword into that. This is as simple as that. Nothing hard going to be here. And here you can see the global variables. These are primaries, and these are all the variables coming from the relevant pipeline. Relevant pipeline means this is AI content pipeline. So this AI content pipeline is attached directly to the AI content campaign type. So AI content campaign type is bringing these parameters, global variables, and these are being used in the prompt, getting generated 250 what we say more keywords, keyword strings, and these 250 keywords getting looped into 250 articles, and everyone will have the number of images you want, the type of the images you want, and the here you can see the number of images you want, type of images you want, size, and if you want their alt text relevant to what is happening into the video, or you want the keyword in the alt text, or whatever. If you want another function here, I will put it here. So that's what it means. If you want your brand name on the image, if you want geotagged, yeah, we will do that. Okay, I hear you. Okay, so that's the thing going on here, and it may sound like something maybe too much going around here, but no, you do not need to look into that. If you want to update the prompts, do it. If you don't do it. All you need to do is go here, put in your primary keyword, secondary keyword, click on that, generate target audience, fill in the blanks, choose the target bucket and the pipeline, and you will get your thing done. it is step by step, and literally you do not have to touch your keyboard. You can just do the things with a single hand and a mouse. That's it. All right, so this is how we generate content and put that into a bucket. So that's all we have done so far here. But we have also seen how the content bucket works, tag manager, pipeline studio, and the step template. These are the main things. And we have seen the AI content generation. And once we have done that, what we can do is, now we got the content in our buckets. That's it, right? Now what we can do, we can publish it anywhere we want, doesn't it? So why wouldn't we publish it on the WordPress sites? So I just created a module for that. So WordPress publishing, it is as simple as that. It is the same thing. New campaign, WordPress publishing. Let's go ahead. And content bucket. So we just choose a content bucket, and the WordPress site, let us let us choose multiple content buckets because we have done that already. And multiple target sites, let us choose one less. 3 buckets into 2 WordPress sites, or vice versa, you can do it anyway. So here we got it. Now we have 3 buckets that we want to publish on 2 WordPress websites. So all you need to do is you have to choose. So each bucket has to be get published on at least one website. That's the simple rule. You can see it here. So I just choose the, here you can see tick. So one content bucket got one website, then it is done. Now author, if you want to use specific author, you can choose, or we will do the system will choose a random author. Yes, we can choose the random author. And just to tell you the backstory, that if you choose to publish the schema here, then, and if you choose the random author here, this same random author will be used in the schema. Okay. And tada, it is simple thing. Featured image thing, the same thing, few functions. And here we have the delay thing. Exactly as I said that I want the more versatile thing to build. So here you see, I'm not going to play all these functions as of now. It is easy to go. Only the thing to tell is this: if I choose 0 here, then it is in continuous mode. In the continuous mode means that even if the campaign publish all the articles for the chosen buckets, it will not get finished. It will keep monitoring the bucket for more articles, and if there are more articles, it will publish these articles every 5 minutes. So you can create a campaign in 5 minutes and let it go for 5 months. That's it. That is as simple as that. Schema, placeholder, these are simple placeholders. I'm just going to skip that for the sake of the time. And that's it. Just run it. And there was one more function. If you do not choose if you choose uncategorize here, then it will use the categories from the content bucket. And yes, we have a function at the content buckets as well. So we have the most versatile WordPress content publisher here. So that can publish the any category, any author, random category, or images, videos, iframe, script, whatever you want to do, get done in the WordPress publish thing. So here we go. We got the content created, put into the buckets, picked from the bucket, published into the WordPress. Now this is what we are actively working, but it is not done yet. But it is not the hard thing. Anything you request or the user want, we will build it up. So it is find and replace, update status. You can read up what we have here. And this is something I really want to do because it is some refresh factor of the websites. So if we update our old posts, then Google sees them as a updated ones. So yeah, it's a little bit of thing that helps in the indexing as well. Update alt text, so we will add up more. So ultimate idea is that whatever you want to get done on any WordPress site that have 50 posts or 50,000 posts, we will be able to get it done here. Just create rules and it will keep doing these activities, whatever you create rule for, daily, hourly, weekly, whatever you want to get done on the WordPress. Just create the rule and forget about it. So where we are, now only the subdomain thing is remaining. I will get it covered into the next video. So thank you for the watching. See you in the next video.